What's up? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever time you guys are watching this. So today we have a cool show for you. As you guys can see behind me, we have this beautiful 1964 Chevy Impala SS 327. This one has the 327 SBC V8 with the 3-speed automatic. It has the red exterior with the black interior. This thing is really nice. Sounds pretty sweet. It's the SS version, so you know, and the person that had this did an amazing job updating the exhaust and everything. So without further ado, let's get to it.